up friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Mario, Pikachu, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started on the top with the brim of the cap. And we're just going to curve this line across, bringing that down on the right. Let's start in the corner now. We're going to curve this line down, tugging that up, following that through to the center. And then we'll start back on that center line, curving this down, tucking this around, and back up on the opposite edge there. Let's continue to round out the face. Starting on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, flattening that out as we come in towards the middle, replicating that on the opposite side. And then we're just going to blend that line in together in the middle. Let's come out now for the ear. We're going to curve this line over on both sides. Now from that point, we're going to tuck this back down and in on the edge. Let's come up, we're going to curve this line through to the top on a slight diagonal. Let's round that up above. So on the left side, we're just going to curve this all the way around and down on the right. We'll round it out underneath, tucking it in on the side. Let's draw on the Mario symbol right in the middle. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle, connecting that on the right. Let's draw in the letter M. So basically what we're going to do is on the top, we're just going to draw in the letter M. We'll come in on a diagonal, replicating that again. And then we're going to close that off with a diagonal line. Now let's come in towards the middle. We're going to draw in a small sideways oval for the nose, coloring that in black. Let's add in the mustache now. So in the center, we're going to curve this line up, down, tucking that out. We'll replicate that on the right. Now from that point, we're going to curve that line into the center. And then again, replicating that as we curve that in one more time to the middle. Let's come up from that for the eye. So from that point, stepping up, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that left eye. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Let's come over towards the inside, and we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And then now let's just color in our eye black. Now on the cheek, we're just going to round this out with a nice big circle, tucking that in underneath. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come down now for the overall. We're going to curve this in on a diagonal, tucking this back around and up. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now in the middle, drawing in another circle. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. In the center, we're just going to close that off with a curved line. And now let's step out for the arms. So up above, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to come down for the wrist, curving this around, tucking that back in. Now let's curve the thumb around and up. Just drawing a small line connecting that. You can barely see it, but we just want to make sure there's no gap. Now let's add in a corner bracket above that line on the thumb. Let's round out that first finger, tucking that back in. Again, stepping over, replicating that. And then again, one more time, just curving this around, connecting that, curving that in. And then now from here, we're just going to join 3 small curved lines as we come across the glove. Let's continue with the rest of the body now. So we're going to arch this down on either side. We'll come up, curving this line over, stepping down again, replicating that. Now in the center, curving that up. And then on either side, we're just going to bring this straight down. Now for the shoe, let's curve this down, ending that at the same height. We're going to curve a small line that comes across. From there, we're going to arch this around, past that line on the side, tucking that down for the shoe. Ending that at the same height. And then now from here, let's close off the bottom of the shoe, tucking that in. And then lastly, just closing off the sole of the shoe, replicating that one more time. Now let's come out for the tail. We're going to bring this line out. We're going to bring this down on a diagonal. We'll bring this back in on the side and then bringing that back down on a diagonal again to close off the tail. And that is it. That's how you draw Pikachu and Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.